It was celebration galore as Mr. Adeyemi Ajani Akinrinade unveiled 10 units of luxury serviced apartments newly built in Treasure Island Estate, Mowe Ofada Phase 1. DM Service Apartments and Suites is to serve as short-let apartments and serviced apartments for Nigerians in diaspora who return home to get a feel of luxury in what is called modern home living. The CEO DM Service Apartments invited dignitaries, well-wishers, family members, and representatives of the developers of Treasure Island Estate, Mowe Ofada Phase 1, Unveil Investment Limited, to the joyous occasion. It was pomp and pageantry and celebration galore. The CEO himself, DM Service Apartments and Suites, Mr. Adeyemi Ajani Akinrinade, had so much to say. First, about the idea of building these 10 units of luxury serviced apartments.
Akinrinade Ajani Adeyemi Aláyélúwà táwọn èèyàn ń pè ní aláṣẹ DM Water and Bakery, aláṣẹ DM Service Apartments lórílẹ̀ mọ́. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fọ́jọ́ èní ní birthday mi, èní dẹ̀ tún ni mò ń ṣe commissioning DM Service Apartment and Suites ní Unveil Estate ní Treasure Island. Dóò ńgbà tá máa ralẹ̀ yìí Amẹ́ríkà mo wà, but pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run bá wa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ dẹ̀ lọ ní ìrọ̀rùn. So within couple of months adúpẹ́ látìgbà tèmi náà dẹ̀ ti dé láti Amẹ́ríkà láti bí 2 weeks ago tí mo ti wà ní àdúgbò yìí, mo rí pé Unveil and Treasure Island Estate was peaceful and accommodating.
He also spoke about his relationship with Unveil Investment Limited, the developers of Treasure Island Estate, Mowe Ofada, where there are over 100 housing units built in just 4 years.
Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú olùdarí Unveil Estate, because ìgbà tá a sọ fún wọn pa fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan báyìí síbí, wọ́n fún wa ní support, at least pẹ̀lú bẹ́ẹ̀ environment yìí ṣe rí, a rí pé development tó dáa ó ń bá bí. So I'm using this opportunity to tell family and friends in the globe kí gbogbo wọn náà wá invest sí Unveil Estate. It's a very good area and it's a very good estate. Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú wa. Thank you.
The CEO of Unveil Investment Limited, Mr. Segun Osunaro, was also available to grace the occasion. He had so much to say about the idea of Unveil Investment Limited, affordable home ownership scheme, and what the company has been doing in the last 11 years in terms of affordable homes.
My name is Segun Osunaro and I'm the CEO of Unveil Investments Limited, and I'm happy to be here today. This is a fulfillment of vision. See, when you have a vision, it might look at first that things are not working well, but with time, you get to start seeing the realization. Now, one of the clients that I've bought into Treasure Island Estate, Mowe Ofada, we are doing the housewarming today. We are happy that we are here. I'm so happy, I'm so proud, I'm so blessed to be here today, because this is what the company stands for. Development. Development is very key. Delivery. Documentation. This estate, we have built over 800 housing units here as a company. And we have clients that have also built their houses because we have allocated them lands. Immediately you are through with your payments, you have your land allocated to you. And for those who have bought into the housing scheme, immediately you pay up to 70%, you have your house allocated to you. And that's why we are here today. I'm so happy I came in here to see this mansion newly built here into this estate. And it's just a way to appreciate what the client has done. Just to say thank you for believing in us buying the land then, and after allocation, the land was developed. This is an encouragement to Hackview Investment Limited to doing more, promoting more estates, developing more estates, providing more housing to Nigerians, daily reducing housing deficit. We are daily reducing it as a company. For in this very place now, there are two bedroom bungalow, two bedroom flat and three bedroom flats built here. Most of the those who have been looking for houses will be able to rent here, and he also will be able to live in his duplex as well. So that's exactly what we are saying: development, and we this is a good one, and we are looking at doing more, which we are proud of all our clients that we are also praying for them into making sure that everything they are doing is going on well. It's a win-win deal. As they are building houses, we are selling land. We are building for some who would not like to build themselves. And anybody that wants to build, you build to your taste in Hackview. Look at this house. He built this house to taste. Painted color he wishes to paint his house. The design, his architects, his engineers built. So as a company, we are not out to gag anybody, any of our clients. We give them that freedom into what? Building, expressing themselves in their house, in construction. So we are happy to be here today, and we are hoping for more of this. We would like to see more of this, and that's why as a company we are going to be doing more. Expect more estates, expect more products, expect more housing, expect us to reduce the national deficit, housing deficit, expect us to provide more landlords, expect us into doing more.
Other well-wishers also had so much to say about not only DM Service Apartments and Suites, the location of the estate, the initiative, and the CEO himself, DM Service Apartment, Mr. Adeyemi Ajani Akinrinade.
Akin Adeyemi Alailua, ó jẹ́ akíkanjú èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé mo ti mọ̀ nsìn. It's over 30 years starting ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ bọ̀ one way or the other.
Alailua jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ pé tí ọmọdé bá bá sọ̀rọ̀ tàbí tágbàlagbà bá bá sọ̀rọ̀, ó máa ń gbọ́rọ̀ síyàn lẹ́nu. Kò ń fojú kéré èèyàn rárá sí rárá ni. Ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé ó máa ń ṣàánú fún yàn àtọmọdé àtàgbàlagbà lọ́tùn lósìn. Gbogbo bíkíbi tí ẹ bá pa Alailua sí, kò ní sọ pé òun jù ú làbọ̀ òun sọ pé bóyá tóun ó máa attend sí yín ni.
Ìjọ tó kún, ìjọ tó fà náà, gbogbo àjọ ń wà ń bẹ náà ni, but lẹ́nu ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ bá Akin Adeyemi Alailua, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ bá dúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run Ọba lórí àṣeyọrí bíbá yìí, nítorí pé kò easy kéèyàn ní nǹkan lọ́kàn pé òun fẹ́ ṣe kó dẹ̀ rí ṣe. Eléyìí ò ń ṣe àkọ́kọ́ fún Alailua, ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí wà fún pé a fẹ́ máa fi ṣe business ni. Tabadẹ wo location tó wà, in terms of location, gbogbo bíbá yìí sí Redeem kò jìnnà síra wọn. Tẹ́ bá wo State House ní Mọ́sàn, òun ló wà nsàlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ yẹn. So it's a very good location when it comes to this kind of business. So to me, I think it's very good investment. Àdẹ̀gbàdúrà pé kí Ọlọ́run bá lọ́jọ́ ní kó jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn alálùbáríkà kan máa wọ bí ní time to time.
We are right here at Treasure Island Estate. It's a very good location. From International Brewery, it's about 5-10 minutes drive, and it's easily accessible. I mean, you can easily locate. Once you get to International Breweries, just ask you're going to Treasure Island Estates. And right here is on Peridot Street. Very, very easy to locate, and it's a good community, it's a good environment. It's a place you guys would like to come over. And I want to say congratulations to my brother.
Orí àdúgbò yìí pé àdúgbò tó dáa ni. Inú mi dùn gbà tí mo débí. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni nǹkan tí mò ń fa àdúgbò yìí pé bọ̀ gbà tí mo débí mo rí pé àdúgbò yìí dáa gan-an, so máa rọ àwọn èèyàn náà pé kán wá ra nǹkan ní àdúgbò yìí. Iṣẹ́ ńlá la ṣe síbí yìí, àti pé gbogbo ẹ̀ràn tó débí náà ló yà wọ́n lẹ́nu pé irú àdúgbò báyìí wà ní irú bíi báyìí. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá yìí fẹ́ láti wá irú àdúgbò yìí, kẹ́ wá síbí kíákíá torí àdúgbò tó wà pa ni. building aláyélúwà lélẹ́yìí business apartment náà fi ń ṣe tẹ bá dé láti ìlú òyìnbó tẹ wá bí tẹ máa dé sí ibi ni kẹ máa bọ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo nǹkan tẹ fẹ́ ló wà nú ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tẹ fẹ́ tí ò sí inú building yìí a máa retí ẹ ṣé gan.
In all, DM Service Apartments and Suites, Treasure Island Estate, Mowe Ofada, has shown that there's still so much to tap from when it comes to real estate investment in Nigeria. And Unveil Investment Limited is well positioned to provide the needed service and support through affordable homes, well-built houses for middle-income earners, and a whole lot of a package when it comes to support for the average real estate investor. Unveil Investment Limited again has this to say: it is a success story coming again from the award-winning Treasure Island Estate Mowe Ofada Phase 1 that was sold out in a record time of 3 years. Again, with Unveil Investment Limited, your affordable homes is guaranteed.